I want us to move ahead and look at collisions. Here we are talking of collisions, so let's look at collisions. Collisions. Now, when we are talking of collisions, this is when two or more bodies come into contact. We say that they have collided. When we have a body A and a body B coming into contact, body A and body B coming into contact, we say that the two bodies have collided. So we want to look at collisions. And one thing that we should note with collisions, just as we have seen when we have stated the law of conservation of linear momentum, we should note that for any colliding bodies, one thing that we know that will be conserved is the linear momentum. There is no loss in momentum. So we need to know that for the collisions, for collisions of bodies, the total linear momentum is conserved, or it remains constant. So we need to know that there will be no loss in momentum. That is for any system of colliding bodies. Now, after bodies collide, we need to know this, that after bodies collide, the following may happen. Number one, when two bodies collide, let's say we have a piece of plasticine and another piece of plasticine, and they collide. These bodies may fuse and move together in the same direction. That is one. The bodies may fuse after bodies collide. They may fuse after bodies collide. They may fuse and move together with the same velocity. With the same velocity. So they may fuse. That is, they combine and move together with the same velocity and of course in the same direction. Then again, when two bodies collide, they may also separate and move in the same direction. So they may also separate, the bodies may separate and move in the same direction. That is another case when two bodies or when bodies collide, they may also separate and move in the same direction. Again, they may also separate, the bodies may also separate and move in different directions. So these are the cases. We are saying that for collisions of bodies, the total linear momentum is always conserved. And we are saying that this is provided there are no external forces. In this case, there should be no external forces. No external forces act. Then we are saying that after bodies collide, they may fuse and move together in the same direction or with the same velocity. They may fuse and move together with the same velocity and with the same direction. They may also separate and move in the same direction. Again, they may separate and move in different directions.